Hi, where am I today? Today I'm in one of my favourite places in the Eastern Algarve. The Eastern Algarve is quieter than parts of the Central Algarve, let's just say it that way. But I'm in Tavira at the moment. Now Tavira is a historic town. I mean, I've just come across the Roman bridge. It has got such great architecture, the buildings and the culture here. I mean, they have activities that go on. At the moment they're building a stage for a music concert, but there's things at Christmas that go on here and it's just fireworks and everything. And I understand at night time there's going to be loads of fireworks. And I'm going to be showing you two properties for rentals in Cabanas. Now Cabanas is a small fishing village which is 5 minutes from here. So you've got the facilities of coming into Tavira or using Cabanas for some amazing restaurants. Fish, top of the bill. So welcome to another video brought to you by Ideal Homes Rentals, where we show you properties you can rent across the Algarve for your summer or winter vacation. And let me take you around this new listing with Ideal Homes Rentals in Cabanas. It's literally brand new. No one's actually rented it yet, so if you want to be the first ones, you need to get on the phone lines quickly. It's amazing location. You are literally 5 minutes away from the beaches. You're right next to all the fish restaurants because Cabanas is an old fishing village. You're 5 minutes from Tavira, where we've just been. Great location. Let's get on and show you the inside. Great lounge area, 2 settees, TV, air conditioning all the way through this property. So hot and cold heat. So in the summer months, you've got the cool heat. And in the winter, if you're renting it, you can actually use it for heating as well. You've got a great kitchen. I'll take you inside there. But look at that breakfast area. You can sit there with a glass of wine. The bottles are there waiting for you. Or you can go out on the terrace there, which is south facing. Or in the winter months, you can eat inside at the dining table here. This really is a great apartment. To say it's just all been refurbed. It's in beautiful condition. The kitchen is great. It's got granite worktops, fridge freezer there with a drinks machine in it, your oven. It's like brand new. But if you want to cook up a storm, this is a place to do it. But you're right next to so many great restaurants. All your fish comes in from the sea. You can have the best fish here. You've got so many to choose from. And what I love about restaurants in Portugal is it's as cheap to eat out as it is to do it at home. So if you want to cook in the kitchen, it's there. But I promise you, you will be eating out a lot. This is your house bathroom. It's got the toilet and bidet. It's got a full bath as well with a shower over it. So this is your house bathroom as such. You've got 2 bedrooms. I'll take you into the first bedroom first. First bedroom first. Double sliding wardrobes there, air conditioning. 2 single beds here. You can have them separate as they are now, or you can push them together to make a big double bed. You've got a Juliet balcony there. And the flooring, everything, it's like new. A really nice apartment, this. Storage space, always useful on holiday. You've got wardrobe space there to put your suitcases. You can put them on the floor if you want to, but you've got no excuse, you've got storage space. Great sized bedroom, but this has also got the ensuite. The ensuite has got a shower cubicle, a toilet, and a sink. Great property. You can rent for your summer or winter holidays. Let me take you on the balcony now and take you down to the pool area, because you've got a swimming pool as well. Wow, a very nice rosé and a very nice balcony. And if you are unfamiliar with Portugal, these are famous pasta de natas, like custard tarts, and they are cinnamon on top. I'm not sure I have it with rosé, but there you go. This is a beautiful apartment in a great location. Inside is immaculate, and what a lovely little balcony. It's not massive, but it's private, and the gardens, everything here is beautiful. It's peaceful as well. Notice my voice goes down a little bit. So let me take you down to the pool area and just show you the pool area, and just finish off and go through. You can rent this property for your summer or winter vacation. What a fantastic apartment for your summer or winter holiday. Look at the outside, the gardens are beautiful. People are on holiday at the moment, we're in June, and I'm respecting their privacy. They're around by the pool area, but the pool is beautiful. Check this property out on idealhomesrentals.com. All you simply do is put your dates in that you're looking at, and the prices and availability will come up. As I said earlier, it's a brand new listing, so availability should be okay for this summer. But if you're looking for next year as well, you can book for next year. It's in a great location. You've got all the restaurants, you've got the beaches, you've got Tavira, you've got the golf, the lot. So check it out, and don't go far away, because I'm going to be showing you another one just up the road in Cabanas. So see you in a minute. Well, I hope you enjoyed that first apartment in Cabanas, but before I show you the second apartment, let me just tell you a little bit about Ideal Homes. Not just the rentals, we do sales as well. So if you're thinking of maybe purchasing a property in the Algarve for a holiday home or relocation, look at us, we'll look after you. And we have got some special deals, whether it's a resale property, apartments or villas. Well, one thing, check out on our website, is Portimao Racetrack. We have got an exclusive deal there that you can invest and make money on 1-bedroom, 2-bedroom and 3-bedroom apartments. That's the racetrack at Portimao, where they have all the racing all through the year. So you've got income coming in. Check it out on idealhomesportugal.com. John at idealhomesportugal.com as well. Drop me an email. I'll see you in a minute in Cabanas in another apartment. Now I'm going to be showing you a property 5 minutes probably up the road from the first apartment and 5 minutes away from Tavira, where I was just a minute ago. It's on a development called Opamar. It's a bigger development than the first one I showed you, but it does have facilities like a Three Barrels pub, a restaurant, there's a gym there as well, there's a hairdressers, but you're very close to Benamor Golf Club. You can literally walk to Benamor Golf Club out here with your golf clubs. So it's a great location again, and it's a lovely apartment. You've got a nice covered balcony there, so it will get the sun, but often, sometimes of the day, you'll get the shade as well. Lovely lounge area. This is a pull-out sofa bed, so that will make it into a bed as well. You've got a decent size kid dining table here. Air conditioning. Oh, it's on now, and it's lovely. It's 34 degrees outside at the moment. It's hot. So, air conditioning for your hot summer months, and in the winter, if you're choosing to rent this maybe for December, January, February next year, you can put the air conditioning on, which is hot air as well. Nice sliding door into a lovely kitchen. This is a beautiful kitchen. Granite worktops, oven, microwave, fridge freezer, dishwasher, electric hob. Your sink's there. You've got patio doors here that will take you outside onto an outside terrace there. And you've got even a nice little breakfast bar in the morning there. Really, really good property. It's on the first floor, this one. And as I say, it's on Opamar. I'm going to take you now to the bedrooms and show you the 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. And then we will finish off showing you the pool area, which is beautiful here. A beautiful swimming pool. So don't go far away. See you in a moment. bedrooms are on this side of the property. You've got 2 bedrooms. Let me take you into the first bedroom. The first bedroom has got a house bathroom there that has a shower and all the bits you want in the bathroom. And again, laminated wood flooring, air conditioning, 3 wardrobe space there, plenty of space here. So a good size first bedroom. As I said, that's the house bathroom or the bathroom that bedroom will share. This is your ensuite to this one. So got a full-size bath with a shower over the top of it. And as I always say, do like sliding doors, take up less room. So you've got sliding doors there for you. You've got triple sliding doors on the wardrobes, air conditioning, and views over the gardens. And again, a good size. I would say a 4 by 4 bedroom size, 4 metres by 4 metres. So we've shown you the 2 bedrooms, the 2 bathrooms, the lounge, the kitchen, and the dining room. We'll take you now to the pool area, where you see the pool and also the facilities this development has got on. So don't go far away. I'll see you in a moment. Well, you'll be pleased to hear my job's almost over now. Hardest choice is you have to choose which apartment you prefer. Check it out on idealhomesrentals.com. Put in your dates, as I say, and it will tell you the prices per week. Or if you want a long-term rental out of season, contact the office. They're there 7 days a week. Give them a call, 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. and ask them about rentals for, say, 4 weeks or 6 weeks or maybe 2 months. And if it's available, they can get you a price. Check it all out. And one other thing I want to mention is when you book a property to rent with Ideal Homes Portugal, what they give you is a property manager. And for this one, we have Jocka.
Hi, John.
Jocka looks after both the properties and she will look after you. So you're getting a great property and a great lady who will tell you everything about Cabanas and Tavira, all the good bits, all the restaurants.
The restaurants, the coffee shops, the peacefulness.
Yeah.
Yeah, beautiful. And really, you come here to relax. Everybody says it's a home away from home, relaxation.
So every property with Ideal Homes Rentals has a property manager. And for these 2, you are the one. Yep.
Definitely, thank you.
Check this lady out. She'll be better than I will at a job. So check this lady out. Jocka, she's your lady. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you soon. I've got some more properties to show you next week. So look forward to that. Take care for now. Bye. And don't forget, by the way, press like and also subscribe. That way you get to know all the latest videos that Ideal Homes are doing. Thanks for watching. Thank you, darling.
Thank you, Jeff.